All right, guys. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and use the OSB that we cut as a tracer for the sheetrock. We know that it fits perfectly. So I like to test fit the cut before I cut the sheetrock, especially on a wall like this. You're not gonna see the OSB, but you will see the sheetrock. And when the cuts are off on an outlet or on a receptacle, then yeah, you can tape it and you can fix it that way, but I'd rather not. I'd rather have the outlet flush with the sheetrock so it's perfect. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so we don't need to put too many nails or anything in that because we're gonna drop screws in there anyway. So 1 5/8 inches is gonna go through both. But I am a Dingledorf. I cut the wrong sheetrock size. Well, let's see what that does. Let's see what we got. I'm not sure if 5/8 had to go there or a 1/2 inch had to go there. All right, so now we need another piece of OSB. Now, if I did this right, the OSB will sit 1/4 inch behind the bottom rock. See what we got. So we need to go ahead and cut this out. Let's see what we got. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. All right, bada bing, bada boom. Now we can close this door and get some heat to stay in here. $49.5. 94.5. 49. Thank you. I didn't want to flip the sheetrock around. Okay. So I am using 2.5-inch screws right now. This is so that I can get the OSB behind this and the rock at the same time. For everything else, I'm using 1.5-inch. For in between that, we don't need to use 2.5-inch all the way down the board. That would really be a waste. So 2.5-inch on the bottom and the top and the middle, and then 1.5-inch in between those. I got 5 screws down the whole board. I like to have all the sheetrock screws in uniform. I missed my sheetrock gun. Whoever stole it, you're a bastard. Get a friggin' job. I hope it jams on you. No, you know what? If you needed it and you stole it, hey, listen. Just get a job and buy it yourself. Don't be stealing nobody's tools, man. It's not cool, dude. You know, you could have asked me for it, and believe me, I would have gave it to you. Just the type of person that I am. But for you to steal my stuff, I don't like that. You want something, ask me. If I have it and I don't need it, you're more than welcome to use it. And if it's gonna really help you out and I have a spare, I'll be more than happy to give you one. Just don't steal my tools, dude. So whoever did it, enjoy it. It's a great tool. All right, so we got all that done. I just want to make sure that this outlet is gonna go the way I planned it. Well, I'm not a professional sheetrocker, but I think I do a damn good job. Everything matches, all the outlets are flush. You know, that outlet right here. So that outlet right here, yes, it has a cage on it for now. That's all I had to cover that up, but I will change that. You can see from the sides, there's an extension plate. I will change that, but that's all I had right now. So now we're gonna get those sides done right there. And once we get that done, then we can go across the top, blend everything in, and I'll rip the other side apart. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Ciao. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you, and have a safe week. Ciao.